Welcome to ZATM Facts. Today we are going to discuss 14 most interesting facts about Greece. Greece is known as the birthplace of Western civilization, the birthplace of democracy, theater, the Olympics, and more. The country is known for its ancient history, archaeology, culture, great cuisine, and beautiful island landscapes. But there are a few things about Greece you might not know. We discovered 14 interesting facts about Greece that will captivate your friends and help you learn more about this amazing country. Fact number 1. Greece consists of 1,000 islands. You may have heard of Santorini, Mykonos, Crete, but did you know that Greece is made up of thousands of the most beautiful islands? It is estimated that Greece has up to 6,000 islands, and islets of which only about 200 are inhabited. Fact number 2. There are 18 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Greece. If you want to visit heritage sites, you can enjoy good cuisine in Greece. The country is home to 18 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including world-famous sites such as the Acropolis, the Temple of Apollo, Mykonos, and the ancient city of Corfu. Fact number 3. 80% of Greece is made up of mountains. When you think of Greece, you probably think of sandy shores, blue seas, white painted buildings, and blue domes. But one of the most surprising facts about Greece shows that a large part of the country is actually mountains. It is one of the most mountainous countries in Europe, with mountains covering 80% of the country. Don't forget to bring a good pair of walking shoes. Fact number 4. No place in Greece is more than 137 kilometers from the sea. Greece is probably 80% mountains, but if you associate the beautiful Mediterranean coast with Greece, you're right too. Greece has an impressive 16,000 kilometers, 99.2 miles of coastline, making it the 10th longest coastline in the world. Also, no place in the country is more than 137 kilometers, 85 miles from the sea. That's a lot of water. Fact number 5. Greece is home to a wide variety of wildlife. With an incredible coastal and mountain landscape, it's no surprise that Greece is home to some of the world's most unique animals. Some animals are only found on specific Greek islands, such as seals, turtles, frogs, lizards, snakes, fish, butterflies, mice, and even Cretan wild goats. For bird watchers, some interesting facts about Greece. There are 240 species of birds in the country. Consider planning your winter trip, as over 100,000 birds and hundreds of birds migrate to the wetlands of Greece each year. Fact number 6. The number of tourists visiting Greece each year exceeds the total population of Greece, and it is no secret that Greece is one of the most visited countries in the world. But did you know that more than 17 million tourists visit Greece every year? This is almost twice the total population of Greece. It is one of the few countries in the world, along with Malta, Cyprus, and Luxembourg, that has doubled its population with the frequency of tourism. Tourism accounts for around 20% of Greece's GDP, one of the highest among industrialized countries. Fact number 7. The capital of Greece is named after the goddess Athena, is the goddess of wisdom and war, the patroness of Athena. According to Greek mythology, Athena and Poseidon fought over the right to name the city, and the Greeks chose Athena as Athena's patron. The two gods gave gifts to the people. Athena gave the olive tree and Poseidon gave water. But the people chose the olive tree because it was more valuable, because it provided oil, food, and firewood. Fact number 8. The third largest producer of olives is Greece. The olive tree remains an important part of Greek culture to this day. There are over 120 million olive trees in the country, producing 2.2 million tons of olives each year. This makes it the third largest producer of olives in the world after Spain and Italy. Greece also has more varieties of olives than any other country. One of the most interesting facts about Greece and olive trees is that some of the olive trees planted in the country in the 13th century are still bearing fruit. Fact number 9. Athens has more theaters than any other city in the world. They say the world is a theater. It must be real in Athens. With 18 theaters, the city has the most theaters in the world, surpassing even London's West End and New York's Broadway. It is fitting that Athena has this title, as it is the birthplace of performing arts and theater. Fact number 10. In Greece, there are more than 4,000 traditional dances. Besides all the theatrical scenes, Greece definitely has a dance. In fact, Greeks love to dance so much that there are over 4,000 official traditional dances in Greece. They come from all over the country, and you're sure to find somewhere to have a good time on your trip to Greece. Fact number 11. Greece is one of the most sunniest places in the world. One of our favorite facts about Greece is that it is one of the sunniest countries in the world. With more than 250 days of sunshine a year, or 3,000 hours of daylight, some islands get about 300 days of sunshine a year. Don't forget to bring sunscreen. Fact number 12. Greece has more archaeological museums than any other country in the world. Greece has more than 110 archaeological museums, ranking first in the world. From the Acropolis Museum and the National Archaeological Museum of Athens to the archaeological sites of Delphi and Olympia. Here you will find some of the largest and most famous collections of Greek artifacts in the world. Fact number 13. Greece has another name. An interesting fact about Greece is that the official name of the country is the Republic of Greece. The Greeks called the Hellenes, and they called their country Hellas, an ancient Greek word. These primitive terms were used until the Byzantine period, when the Roman rulers called the Greeks Graecus instead of Greece. Today, Greece is once again officially known as the Hellenic Republic. Fact number 14. One of the oldest languages still in use is Greek. Greek is one of the oldest written languages still in use today. Based on archaeological findings, it is believed to have been in continuous use for over 5,000 years. The Greek language also had a great influence on English and other Latin languages. Before traveling to Greece, try to learn some Greek phrases. They will be appreciated by the locals and will certainly enrich your travel experience in this amazing country. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe and press bell notification for future videos.